As you guys can see on the screen right now, I have officially passed the Topstep funded challenge for a 50K account in only 3 days. I started on September 9th. Today is the 11th of September. So I passed this funded challenge in only 3 days. As you guys can see, September 9th, September 10th, and September 11th. I documented every single one of these trades, and I was also documenting them live within my Discord. If I go to my profits tab, right here, I showed cool $1,000 on challenge account passed. This was the last 2 trades that I did take. Look at Dev. He's still making bread. If you guys watched that last video, my boy Dev is still snapping. So if you guys want to know what the fuck I'm teaching these niggas, click the link in the description. It was honestly pretty easy to pass this 50K challenge because I had to make $3,000 profit. As you guys can see, I made. And my best day was a little under $1,500 because there's a rule where I'm not allowed to make more than $1,500 in a day. I would have passed this shit in 1 day. You feel me? But just using my strategy, honestly, and I only traded gold, I was able to pass this in only 3 days, and it was honestly very easy. I documented everything. I documented all the trades, so I'll go over all the trades that I did take, why I took them, and I'll show you guys the live footage of me trading live, and so you guys can see the account going up, so you guys can know I'm not capping, but you guys can see right in front of me. It's creating the new account right now in front of me. I even got an email from them saying, you know, you're funded. Congratulations on becoming a Topstep funded trader. And then I just had to activate my account, which is going on right now. It's just processing the account. So I'm gonna show you guys all the trades that I took. Now, if you are a member of my Discord, if you're not, click the link in the description and join. But if you are a member of my Discord, I have a lesson within my course where I share the exact strategy that I use to pass this funded challenge in only 3 days. All I did was trade gold, and I have a specific strategy that I trade on gold. And I think the lesson is called like how to snipe gold, get funded challenge, because on these futures challenges, you guys can trade metals and you can also trade futures. So I specifically made a strategy on gold so that way I can help all my members get funded. If you're not a member of my Discord, click the link in the description. You guys could join. But let's get into all the trades that I took that got me to hit this profit target of $3,000 on this $50,000 account in only 3 days. This is on Monday. As you guys can see, the account is at $50,000. No trades. I see this entry. I saw my confirmation, entered the trade.
Order filled. Order filled.
Easy $1,000. Look at the account balance, 51,000. Now, a quick breakdown on this setup that I did take on Monday. What I had seen was that we were forming this trend line here on the 5-minute chart. But then by the time I started looking at charts, I seen that we started to break through. Now, this would have fooled a lot of beginner traders. However, I saw this as a false break of this trend line because I drew this order block right here from this zone. And then once I had seen this, once I had seen this engulfing right here on this level, I knew this level was being respected, and that is why I entered that trade, and then I took it all the way to these highs right here. Easy money. That's my first trade. $51,000. One trade. We just started, nigga. Look at the profit target. We got to get to 3,000. I'm already 1/3 way there because I'm like that. Go to the profits real quick. I hope y'all remember from that last video, my nigga Dev. That nigga is like that. It's his mind, bro. If you got that type of mind, I want to coach you. If you want to take your trading to the next level, I want to coach you. I am going to instill the right algorithm into your mind. So that way you can do this. This is today. This is this morning when I just made 1,000. Here it is right here. Join the School of Guys, link in the description. This is Tuesday, London session. I FOMO'd on this trade. I'm going to be real with you. I had my overall bias, but the mistake that I made is that I didn't adjust my stop loss accordingly because I only wanted to risk a certain amount. I'm just like, nigga, I just made 1,000 on the first trade. Nigga, I ain't trying to lose too much. You know what I'm saying? It's a constant battle when you're trading. You must understand the internal war. But if you can find internal peace, I would have waited. Because during London session, I like to wait for a liquidity grab. It happens, of course. And by the time I wake up, because like I said, I always wake up around 7 a.m. By the time I wake up, I see it all the way over here. Of course, I wanted the entry down here, but this is at 5 a.m. I'm going to be real, I wouldn't be up. So when you get angry that you missed the trade, you're telling yourself there's not going to be more opportunities. And then you end up missing more opportunities. Nigga, I'm good. Nigga, I'm calm. Nigga, I know overall where I want it to go. So because I have the goal and the vision in my mind, at least based on my plan and my current bias, then I can wake up in the morning and I can get an entry right here. Now, my take profit, oh no, I was aiming for these highs right here. Remember, that's where I was originally aiming for. I just went in too early. Still aiming for the same place, still have my bias. See it go up. I like that close, and I entered again.
Order filled.
And this is where the market starts to play games with me. You're going to see this as a recurring pattern throughout these trades that I'm going to show you. Gold gets really close to my take profits. Then it starts to reverse. I had to move my stop loss. Now, this isn't out of emotion. This is just I need confirmation now. Do I get out of these trades or do I hold? I'm sure this would have scared a lot of you, but I saw that as another entry. It's a liquidity grab. I saw that as another entry, but Topstep. So Topstep has this stupid rule. Your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. So I can't go over 1,500. And it confirmed at this level. So I knew it was good. I would have doubled down. The only reason I'm aiming for 1,920 right now is so I can make up for the $400 that we lost during London session. I'm being calculated with this shit. But I'm not going to go over 1,500 even though I know I can pass right now. If I do that, I'm literally just doing it out of ego. I'm just going to play their little game. They give me an account. And now I got $50,000 I could trade with, right? I would have doubled down. I didn't though. Then it eventually goes up. Smashes the profit target. Had to go through a little roller coaster, but waited for confirmation. I lost $400 during London session, but now I'm up 1,478. Remember, I'm trying to make sure I keep it under 1,500 because, you know what I'm saying, Topstep got their little rules, whatever. Just play the game. Don't reject the game. Instead, play the game, assimilate to the game, and then beat the game. So that's Tuesday. That's Tuesday in New York. And now the account is at $52,488.40. We are $512 away from 3,000 from the profit target. Day 2 completed, and I only have 4 trades. I just have to make $500 more. I'm like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just have to make $500 more, and I pass. And I've only traded 4 times. You know how many of you probably would have had like 30 trades by now, bro? Efficiency. Trade less, but just take the better opportunities. Trade the high probability opportunities. This is Tuesday. We've only traded 4 times, and we are $500 away from the profit target. Look at this line, bro. Like, just look at this. Only 4 trades, and look at this. Days completed 2. Winning day percentage 100%. Nigga, like I lost some money and I made it back. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was like that. Now I'm only $500 away. Look what happens next. I had a trend line drawn. Once again, I have my overall bias. I still think we're gonna go up overall. I saw basically what was the same play as I had seen on Monday. False trend line break. Saw respecting this level, so I was like, all right, bet. I'm just gonna enter. This one gets to me, bro. This is the Topstep account. That was just trading view I was on earlier, but it's the Topstep account. So we up. I just have to make $500. Remember that. This one got to me. I almost went on tilt. Look at how close it is to my profit target. Look up here where it says. It says 52,973. That's my equity. I literally just needed 27 more dollars, and I would have passed. No emotions, just clean. 5 trades, and I passed. And I'm saying to myself, I'm going to hold. It's going to hit my TP. Like, I'm trusting myself. I'm trusting the plan, which is good. I'm exhibiting confidence. I said, I'm just going to hold. But just imagine being $27 away, and then this happens. So here, it was still respecting this level, but the psychology got to me. The fact that I was $27 away. And I had to, let me chill out. The fact that I was $27 away. And it did this shit. The fear started to get to me. I was calm, bro. I had the internal peace the entire time I was trading. But then that just triggered me. It's just like, nigga, I'm right about to fucking pass. And how this shit's going down. Like, I started analyzing the 1 minute. Like, and I hate going down in the 1 minute. Because it's just like, bro, like, that's when I know I'm letting it get to me. So I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm up 120. I don't want to lose any money because it's just like, bro, like I was $27 away. So I'm up 120 right now. My thought process is, okay, I was only going to risk like $200 on this trade. So I'm just going to take profit right here. And if I lose the trade, I only lost like $80. So it is what it is, right? So I take profit. And you should never do this. Never back out of your trades, bro. Because what does that say about you as a man, bro? You should never be backing out. If you say it, it is, bro. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Do as you say, bro. Like, you should never back out, bro. You should never back out. Because watch what happens. Watch what fucking happens, bro. I was 20... It's like the Matrix attacking you. That's what gets to me. Like, you see, I feel it. You see this shit. Because sometimes, like, when I'm trading, it really feels like the Matrix is attacking me. I always say, like, oh, they know if I get enough money, I will destroy this shit. Like, I will destroy the fucking Matrix, nigga. I will literally create an algorithm so I can break my fucking people out, nigga. Like, you give me enough money, nigga, give me enough resources, nigga. Like, that's my goal, nigga. That's my life purpose, is to fucking destroy you. Like, why does the world look like this? So I'm driven by that purpose. And sometimes it really, when the market does things like this, and you should never take it personal. You should never take it personal. But then you start to say things like, why does this always happen to me? You know, like, that's psychology, because those thoughts gonna get to you. Where I started staring at it, bro. I was having a good ass day. I was whooping niggas' asses on Mortal Kombat, bro. And I started just staring at the charts. I even went to go get food, bro. Like, instead of watching YouTube, I was sitting there looking at the chart, obsessed. You got to detach from this shit, bro. Because when you start to get too attached to this shit, that's when the feelings start getting attached, bro. That's why I don't get attached to no bitch. You can't. Like, it's just because that feelings will make you do irrational shit. That's why they be doing irrational shit. You feel what I'm saying? Anyways, this is off topic. The psychology got to me. So I rationalized to myself that I'm just going to take profit on this right now. And then I'm just going to, risk another 200. So that way, like, if I lose, I only lose at $8. Like, it's an ego thing. I'm in fear. I'm triggered. Like, there's so many things that's going on right here, which is to why I did this when I should never back out of my trades. I should never back out of my trades, but I back out. And I buy one more. And then I move the stop loss to 200. So my theory was that as long as this box held, because this was a fair value gap, as long as this box holds, we're still going up. This is what it does. Listen, let me show you that. As long as that level holds, we're going to continue to go up. And it did hold. It just had to spike me out first. I got so triggered by that, I started to overtrade in all of this. I even convinced myself it was going down at one point, but then I snapped myself out of it. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It was taking forever. And this is what happened. I went from $52,488. I think that was my worst day, actually. Wow. Consolidation. It was taking too long. I just got triggered. It just barely missed my TP. I just got barely stopped out. The market hit me with everything, nigga. My psychology got triggered. It cost me $500. Now I got to make $1,000 now to pass. It was an easy 500. That's easy, right? But now I got to make another $1,000. So now I got to catch a full move here. And I was right, too. I was right. Because it starts to shoot up like this. Listen, I saw this on the 5 minute, and this was a bit of FOMO. It was. I was still risking a normal amount, 400. But this is a no man's land trade to me. If I wasn't triggered right now, I would have waited for an entry around this trend line, which it ends up going back down. Remember, I get this entry here, and now I have to aim all the way up at these highs all the way up here. Could just aim for the next level, but no, I'm aiming for these highs up here now because I have to make the $1,000 now. It starts to go down. I'm in drawdown now. Honestly, I saw this and I entered again. Because if I only used one entry, I would have needed to aim for about 10. I needed 10 points to make that 1,000. So I was like, okay, if I double down, I can aim for a shorter take profit. So I double down here after seeing confirmation. And this is what happened. At one point, we are $47 away at $52,953. I just need $47 more. I'm telling you, you're going to see a reoccurring pattern. The Matrix strikes again. We were $7 away here. It makes you ask yourself, like, who is doing this to me? Why does this keep happening to me? It starts to reject. I was $7 away, bro. I was $7 away, bro. Like, why? But once again, I hold. But I'm micromanaging again. And I go down to the 1 minute chart. I just need it to go up. I think my take profit was around this area somewhere. I had adjusted the take profits to make sure I make just enough to pass. Just enough. It starts to go up. I get a little bit of hope. Drops again. I get a little bit of hope. Drops. I get a little bit of hope. Drops. I get a little bit of hope. I get a lot of hope. I'm like, okay, this is finally it. Drops. Bro, look at this. It gets so close. I am $27 away here. Oh my, bruh, come on, bro. Like, what's going on? Who's attacking me, bro? Like, cause this is crazy. I'm like, why does the last trade have to be the most stressful? It could have been so peaceful. And now I keep getting attacked, or so it seems. But that's what my ego is thinking. Feel attacked. But I hold though. Bruh. It starts to reject. You telling me you didn't hit my take profit? Like, bro, come on. Gotta stay calm. I'm a rager, bro. Like, I have to be zen. Like, if I'm not zen, bro, I will rage, bro. Like, you telling me you ain't fucking hit my take profit? And it's starting to reject. And right now the account balance is $53,013. So I could close out right here. The reason why I don't, though, is because if you guys can see right here, when I take these trades, if you see on the right, this is all the consolidation from fucking Asian session. Ridiculous. But on the side, you have fees. They don't calculate the fees until you get out of the trade. I have it at $1,040 because I'm accounting for the fees. It's going to be about like $10 to $20, right? So I want to get out right here. I want to click this X, but I have to make sure it actually hits because I need to account for those fees. Because imagine I finally take profit. Imagine this shit says $52,999. I'd break something. That would fucking trigger me. So I'm like, bro, you have to hold. I'm hovering over it. You see, I'm hovering over it. What you mean you ain't hit my take profit? Like, I want to close. It finally hits it. Finally. Look what I say.
Order filled.
Okay, we passed. Now fuck trading. Nah, G shit. Cause it's just like, why did it have to be so fucking painful, bro? And I understand that this is just a mental projection. Like, I was in pain, so I caused more pain for myself. Like, I was attached to the chart. Bro, throughout this entire challenge, I was not staring at the chart like this. This is the most obsessive I've ever stared at the chart ever. Is it doing this fuck shit to me? I'm in the wrong mindset. I'm in the wrong frequency, my nigga. So it's just, that's why it caused so much pain. It's self-inflicted. All the pain you experience in trading is self-inflicted. Because at the end of the day, this is just a bunch of fucking green and red candles. That's all it is. Up and down ticks. That's all it is. It doesn't fucking know you. Understand you are attacking yourself. This is self-inflicted. Because I really could have just went to bed and it would have hit my take profit. But I'm sitting here micromanaging it on the 1 minute chart, bro. Because I'm like, bro, like, I'm obsessed now. I'm like, bro, I want to pass right now. I love that I can intertwine psychology in every single one of my videos, bro. Because like that's what this shit's about, bro. Like, y'all niggas don't understand. Like, the money part, bro, like, I can teach y'all niggas how to fucking flip your accounts. I can teach y'all niggas. Like, the trading is easy, but it's the mindset. If you have the right mind, you will be a fucking genius at this shit. That's why if you have that type of mind, I actually want to coach you. Click the link in the description. I'll help you get funded. Cause nigga, I want to remind y'all niggas. I want to, like, even though we went through the emotional roller coaster, I gave y'all, bro, I could have came on here flexing, but I'm gonna keep it real with y'all niggas. I'm still that fucking nigga though, cause it only took. It was way too many trades than I wanted it to be, but I only traded for 3 days. I want you to look here though. September 9th, I had 1 trade, just that 1 clean trade. You enter, it goes straight to take profit. On September 11th, we take 11 Total trades. I'm telling you, over trading is emotional. Because otherwise, you would be waiting for your high probability setups. You'd be following the plan. Be a man of your word. Follow the plan. Because like when you stare at the market, I'm telling you, it's gonna look like it's triggering you. It's gonna look like it's attacking you. It's crazy how this like it makes the story better. I'm gonna be real with you. So thank God. I mean, I'm gonna transmute this. Like it's a crazy thing that happened, but shit, I'm gonna turn into something that can teach people, educate people, so they could avoid this from happening. Like it's your psychology, it's your mind. My thoughts caused this, and me staring at it and being too attached to it caused me to get emotional because I'm like, bro, I'm right here. And you know, like even if it was $1 away, and it rejects, you were so attached to it being $1 more, you couldn't accept the current price it was at. I'm telling you, bro, understand this, bro. Like if y'all want me to coach you and you want me to help, if you want me to show you how you can get funded, the exact strategy that I used on gold, because I'm telling you, bro, I was snapping. At the end of the day, even though it was a roller coaster, right? It was a roller coaster, but at the end of the day, the winning day percentage is still 100, my nigga. I only traded 3 days from September 9th to September 11th. And we have hit the profit target, $3,000. If you want me to show you how you can get funded in 3 days, click the link in the description. But don't click the link in the description if it's just about the money for you. If you have the right mind that I'm speaking of, if you are trying to sharpen your mind every single day, if you want me to take your mentality and your frequency to another level so that way you can do this, if you want to join Paradise, click the link in the description and become a member. And I'll share with you the exact plan and strategy that I use on gold, because I only traded gold, to get funded in only 3 days. Click the link in the description and become a member. Today is Monday, September 23rd, 2024. That is the time I'm making this video. And I have passed another funded challenge in 3 days with 100% winning day percentage. I started on the 19th and I ended on September 23rd. And this was the graph. Just a steady line. How many days I trade? Only traded 3 days. I'm getting really super efficient at passing these funded challenges in less than a week. I could really start a business where I just start passing funded challenges for people who pay me a certain amount. But why would I waste my time passing funded challenges for people and even charging for that when you can join my school, become a member, and learn everything that I used to do this? Like the exact plan that I use is already in my course. So I've seen my other members get funded. I'm doing it in 3 days now. This is how I got funded a $50,000 Topstep account in 3 days. Twice. With 100% winning day percentage. Come on. Look at these stats. Niggas can't say this shit a fluke, bro. I'm really like that. I'm gonna be real with you, bro. Like, who you seen get funded 50,000 in only 3 days, my nigga, with 100% win rate? Come on now, nigga. 100% winning day percentage. Like, come on, stop playing with me, nigga. And I'm consistently beating these challenges in 3 days. Look at this graph, my nigga. This shit don't dip down, nigga, because we just like that. I only traded gold to do this once again. It's the same perfect entry plan that I created on gold that I give to all my members and is literally in my course right now. So all you have to do is click the link in the description and you can get funded over $50,000 in 3 days. But I guess I'll see the ones that are meant to be in paradise to paradise. So until paradise.